Conquer winter's chill with a robust snowblower, transforming the season's snowy challenge into a breeze. In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 snowblowers available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best snowblowers. The 5th product on this list is the Toro 1800 Power Curve. This top-notch snowblower is an excellent choice among electric models in the United States, showcasing Toro's commitment to efficiency and reliability. Its powerful 15-amp electric motor easily moves up to 700 pounds of snow every minute. This makes it a perfect partner for clearing snow around homes. It features an 18-inch clearing width and a 12-inch intake height, ensuring quick and thorough removal of snow from walkways, patios, decks, and smaller driveways. Thanks to Toro's Power Curve technology, it clears snow right down to pavement and reduces clogging. The snowblower also includes a 160-degree adjustable chute for precise control of where the snow goes. User-friendliness is a key feature. It has a comfortable full bale ergonomic handle, a lift handle, a quick chute lever, and a zip deflector for different snow throwing needs. It's easy to maneuver, weighing just 25 pounds, and is equipped with larger 6-inch wheels. The convenience of electric power coupled with a cord lock system ensures smooth, uninterrupted operation. Whether it's a light snowfall or a heavy winter storm, the Toro 38381 is a blend of power efficiency and user-friendly design. It's an essential tool for easy and effective snow management. Its pros are: it has a 15-amp electric motor, and Power Curve technology enables the blower to move up to 700 pounds of snow per minute, efficiently clearing paths, driveways, and more. It has an 18-inch clearance width and a 12-inch intake height. The blower covers a large area in one pass, making it suitable for various residential spaces. And it has an ergonomic handle, lift handle, quick chute lever, and zip deflector contribute to user-friendly design, ensuring easy maneuverability and control while throwing snow. However, it requires a power source, limiting mobility compared to cordless or gas-powered alternatives. The Toro 1800 Power Curve is an ideal choice for homeowners seeking efficient and convenient snow removal. Up next in 4th place is the Worx Nitro WG471. This 20-inch cordless snowblower is perfect for those seeking a potent yet convenient way to tackle snow removal. It's driven by 2 Worx PowerShare batteries, delivering the strength of gas-powered blowers without the hassle of gasoline. The single-stage rotary auger cuts through compacted snow and ice with ease, providing great maneuverability in its compact design. Plus, its high-efficiency brushless motor boosts power and conserves battery life, ensuring the blower's longevity. One of the best things about this snowblower is its versatility. The Worx PowerShare batteries are interchangeable with a range of other Worx tools. The chute rotates 180 degrees and features a one-touch multi-position adjustable deflector, allowing you to accurately direct snow up to 20 feet in any direction. And for those early mornings or late nights, dual LED headlights light the way. Storage is a breeze too, thanks to its fully collapsible handle, and when you're using it, the soft grip handle provides comfort. Whether winter is your favorite season or not, the Worx cordless snowblower makes clearing snow effortless. It's lightweight, efficient, and user-friendly, simplifying your winter routine. Its pros are: it has 2 PowerShare batteries, it delivers gas-like power, efficiently tackling compacted snow and ice. It is compatible with all Worx 20-volt and 40-volt tools, providing a unified battery system for various applications. And it has a high-efficiency brushless motor that offers increased power while conserving battery energy, ensuring longevity. However, it relies on rechargeable batteries, which may require periodic recharging and might not be suitable for prolonged use without backup batteries. The Worx Nitro WG471 is a great choice for homeowners seeking a powerful and efficient snow clearing solution without the hassle of gas-powered alternatives. Still haven't found a snowblower that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lineup for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Snow Joe IONMAX cordless snowblower. This unit is a top-notch solution for snow clearing, combining cordless convenience with robust performance. Equipped with 2 4.0 ampere-hour batteries, it delivers a remarkable 48 volts of power. This allows for up to 40 minutes of runtime, enabling to clear paths easily without the need for cords or gasoline. Its 4-blade rubber-tipped steel auger driven by a powerful 1200-watt brushless motor, can efficiently clear an 18-inch wide and 10-inch deep path in one go. It's capable of handling up to 14 tons of snow per charge. Snow Joe has designed this snowblower with the user convenience in mind. It features an adjustable chute that rotates 180 degrees, allowing you to throw snow up to 20 feet in any direction. The built-in 2-watt LED headlight makes it safer to clear snow at night. The inclusion of 2 batteries reflects Snow Joe's commitment to continuous snow clearing ability. For those who prioritize eco-friendliness, efficiency, and versatility in their snow clearing tools, the Snow Joe 24-volt X2 SB18 is an excellent choice. It provides the freedom to tackle snow wherever needed, free from the limitations of cords or emissions. Choose Snow Joe for a winter-ready, eco-friendly snowblower that offers the convenience of going cordless. Its pros are: it operates on a powerful 48-volt battery system, providing cordless freedom for efficient snow clearing without the limitations of cords or the need for gasoline. It is equipped with 2 4.0 ampere-hour batteries. This snowblower offers up to 40 minutes of runtime, allowing users to tackle substantial snow accumulation without interruption. And it has a 4-blade rubber-tipped steel auger. Combined with a robust 1200-watt brushless motor, efficiently clears a wide path 18 inches and substantial depth 10 inches in a single pass, making quick work of snow removal. However, it may be less suitable for users with very large areas to clear. The Snow Joe IONMAX cordless snowblower offers up to 40 minutes of cordless runtime, ensuring you can handle substantial snow volumes without interruption. The second product on this list is the Earthwise SN74018. This snowblower redefines efficient and eco-friendly snow removal. It's powered by a strong 40-volt brushless motor capable of shifting up to 500 pounds of snow per minute. This makes quick work of even heavy snowfall. The cordless battery-operated design means no more dealing with cords or gas, ensuring quiet, eco-conscious operation. It boasts an 18-inch clearing width and a 12-inch clearing depth with the impressive ability to throw snow up to 30 feet. This snowblower is ready to take on various snow removal tasks. The 180-degree rotating chute offers precise control over where the snow lands, enhancing your clearing efficiency. The inclusion of 2 LED spotlights is a thoughtful touch, improving visibility in low-light conditions. Designed with comfort in mind, the Earthwise snow thrower has an ergonomic handle and rear 6-inch wheels for effortless maneuverability. The dual-blade auger efficiently removes snow, making your winter cleanups hassle-free. Complete with a 4 ampere-hour battery and charger, this snow thrower is all set to face winter challenges while promoting a cleaner, quieter environment. Its pros are: it has a powerful 40-volt brushless motor that allows the snow thrower to move up to 500 pounds of snow per minute, making it highly efficient in clearing snow. It is battery-operated and eliminates the need for cords, providing greater freedom of movement and reducing the hassle of managed tangled wires. And it is equipped with bright LED lights. The snow thrower enables effective snow removal during nighttime or low-light conditions, enhancing visibility for the user. However, it has a short battery life and may limit the continuous operation, requiring occasional recharging. The Earthwise SN74018 is the perfect solution for eco-conscious homeowners seeking efficient and quiet snow removal without the hassle of cords. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top snowblower is the EGO Power SNT2112. This snowblower is a game changer in winter maintenance, bringing the might of gas blowers without drawbacks. It's equipped with peak power technology using 2 EGO 56-volt arc lithium batteries for impressive snow throwing distances of up to 40 feet. The steel auger is engineered for top-notch efficiency, slicing through ice and snow 50% faster than its competitors. It features a generous 21-inch clearing width, enabling you to swiftly clear large snow-covered areas. The variable speed auger control allows for precise operation, while the weather-resistant construction of heavy-duty steel and composite materials guarantees durability under tough conditions. Bright LED headlights are a great addition, improving visibility for those nighttime snow clearing sessions. A standout feature is the convenient handle-mounted chute adjustment, making it a breeze to direct the snow where you want it. The quick fold handle is another bonus, enabling compact storage and saving precious space in your garage or shed. For anyone in search of a powerful, eco-friendly, and user-friendly snow removal tool, the EGO Power SNT2112 stands out as the best choice on the market. It's all about delivering power beyond belief, ensuring your property is winter-ready, and beautifully clear. Its pros are it combines the power of two EGO 56-volt arc lithium batteries. This snowblower delivers impressive throwing distances and efficiently clears heavy wet snow. It has a steel auger that cuts through ice and snow 50% faster, ensuring quick and effective snow removal. It has a 21-inch clearing width. This snowblower is suitable for handling large snow-covered areas, reducing the time needed for snow removal. And it has a handle-mounted chute adjustment and variable speed auger control to provide users with convenient and precise control over snow discharge and handling. However, some users find that it is relatively noisy. The EGO Power SNT2112 is an ideal choice for someone who lives in a cold weather area. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.